Alright everybody, hope you can hear me alright here. I normally don't do tool reviews, but I'm going to do this tool review here on the Ryobi +1 HP. Model number is P62. It's supposed to be 600 foot-pounds of torque to take lug nuts off. We're going to find out on my F250. These things haven't been off for months. We're going to find out here in a minute, see how this works. And I'm not sponsored by them either, by Ryobi or nothing. I'm just going to show you, see if you guys like how this works, see how it works out for us. But if they would sponsor me, that'd be awesome. I give them all kinds of tool reviews. But I got the, I even have the 10-inch Ryobi 18-volt chainsaw backer I use too. Let's find out, see how this is going to do here. As you can see, they haven't been off for a long time. Figure out what size we got here. That was way too big. There we go. And they got settings on here. You got your first setting for like light little stuff, 2 for a little heavier, 3 for high impact, and the 4th setting is A for automatic. Whenever you loosen something up, it shuts the trigger off. Or when you spin it back, it'll shut the trigger off. But I'll show you here in a minute whenever we'll put it on setting 1 or 3. We'll see how this does. If this takes these lug nuts off, I'll be amazed. No problem with that at all. Here, I'll put that on. That was on setting 3. There's the automatic mode. Here's what it just does whenever it tightens up. See, it shuts off. See, my finger's on the trigger, it shuts it off. I'll give it. There we go. Show you again, just that way you know I didn't take these off. We'll get out of this one here. Takes it right off. This is from Home Depot. Thing's awesome.